welcome you all to News and Flash column of 25th June 2021. It is presented to you by Lawsico. I am Ankita Parida. Now let's proceed with this session. ARCI develops cost-effective catalyst for metal air battery. So International Advanced Research Center and Powder Metallurgy and New Materials ARCI, an autonomous R&D center of Department of Science and Technology Government of India, has developed the cost-effective electrocatalyst by anchoring transition metal ions into sulfur-doped carbon framework via carbonizing of a polymer called S-peak or sulfonated polyether ether ketone. This experiment and this output will decrease cost and increase the efficiency of metal air batteries. This catalyst synthesis method can also be used to recycle used ionomers polymer composed of both neutral repeating units and ionized units. The catalyst also lead to reduced voltage polarization, enabling high energy efficiency and a stable charge discharge characteristics. The result obtained were comparable to that of conventionally used noble metal-based catalyst with metal loading of 20% or higher. The research has been published in ASC Applied Energy Materials. Moving ahead, Indian Coast Guard rescues 9 crew from sinking vessel Ganga 1 off King Island. The Indian Coast Guard rescued 9 crew from sinking vessel Ganga 1 of King Island on June 23, 2021, and it has received a distress alert from Tug Ganga 1 in approx 30 nautical miles southeast of Port Blair. The tug, with 9 crew, had reportedly left Port Blair on June 22, 2021, with a barge loaded with construction material under tow. The vessel was scheduled to arrive Hut Bay in hours early hours of June 23, 2021. So the Indian Coast Guard ship C-146 and ICG ship C-412 on routine deployment were immediately diverted for assistant ICG ship Durga Bai Deshmukh and PMB tug Ocean Marvel sailed from Port Blair with a damage control team and deflooding equipment for immediate assistance. Moving to our next news item, Nitin Gadkari, Union Minister for Road Transport and Highway and MSME, inaugurates National Highway project in Himachal Pradesh. The total outlay of 222 kilometers long 9 road corridors was outlaid and it cost around 6,155 crores. Road travel time from Delhi to Kulu will be reduced to just 7 hours within 2 years or even before because of this projects, and the minister also announced to award work related to 491 kilometers along road construction in Himachal Pradesh with a total cost of 15,000 crores in year 2021-2022. And also it mentioned about the possibility of network of ropeway and cable car in Himachal Pradesh which may be explored in future. Antivirus creator John McAfee found dead due to alleged suicide in Spanish prison. John McAfee, the creator of McAfee antivirus software, was found dead in jail cell near Barcelona in an apparent suicide. Spain's national court on Monday ruled in favor of extraditing McAfee, who was 75-year-old and who had argued in hearing earlier this month, and McAfee was arrested last October at Barcelona International Airport and had been in jail since then, awaiting the outcome of extradition proceedings. Please note that the enterprise by McAfee, known as the McAfee Corporation, formerly known as McAfee Associates, from from 1987 to 2014, and Intel Security grew from 2014 to 2017 is an American global computer security software company headquartered in Santa Clara, California. So, this was all for today. Thank you for watching.